Hey everyone, Nick Weber here. Today we're diving into a topic that can change your financial life: how to create a budget that works for you. If you're new to managing money or feel overwhelmed by bills, this video is for you. Did you know 65% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Well, let's fix that with a budget that's easy to follow. So why a budget? Well, a budget is like a roadmap for your money. It shows you how much you earn, how much you spend, and helps you save for things like a vacation, a new car, or just gives you peace of mind. It's not about cutting out fun. It's about making sure your money works for you, whether you make $2,000 or $10,000 a month. Budgeting is the key to financial control. A budget is just a plan for your money. You list your income, what you earn from your job or side hustle, and your expenses, like rent, groceries, or Netflix. The goal is to make sure you're not spending more than you earn, leaving room to save or pay off debt. And most importantly, it helps you make smarter financial decisions moving forward, like informing you as to how much you can afford each month for your next car or house. It's super simple, and I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it. Let's talk about 2 beginner-friendly budgeting methods. There's the 50-30-20 budget and zero-based budgeting. These are perfect if you're just starting out because they're clear and flexible. The 50-30-20 budget is super easy. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, things you can't skip like rent, utilities, groceries, or gas. 30% is for wants, fun stuff like dining out, movies, or new clothes. And 20% goes to savings or debt repayments. Think emergency fund, retirement, or paying off credit cards. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, that's $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings or debt. This method keeps things balanced and lets you enjoy life while saving. The zero-based budget is a bit more detailed but great for control. You give every dollar a job, so your income minus expenses equals zero. For instance, if you earn $3,000, you assign $1,200 to rent, $500 to groceries, $300 to fund, $500 to savings, and so on until it's all planned out. It's like telling your money exactly where to go so you don't overspend. I have another YouTube video on my favorite budgeting method that I call the automatic budget, which is a zero-based budget. But today, let's just talk about the basics of how this works. Ready to create your budget? Here's how to do it in 6 simple steps, whether you choose the 50-30-20 or zero-based. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income. Add up all your income, your paycheck, side gigs, or anything else. If it varies, like you're a freelancer, use an average from the last 3 months. For example, let's say you make $2,000 a month. Step 2. List your expenses. For 1 month, track every penny you spend. Coffee, rent, subscriptions, everything. Use a notebook or an app to sort them into needs, like rent, and wants, like takeout. For our $2,000 example, maybe $1,000 is needs, $600 is wants, and $400 is left for savings. Step 3. Pick a method. Decide if 50-30-20 or zero-based budgeting fits your style. 50-30-20 is great for simplicity. Zero-based budget is perfect if you want every dollar planned out. Step 4. Allocate your income. For 50-30-20, split your $2,000 like this: $1,000 for needs, $600 for wants, $400 for savings or debt. For zero-based, list every expense until you hit $2,000, like $800 for rent, $300 for groceries, $200 for fun, etc. Step 5. Track your spending. Use an app like Mint to see where your money goes in real time. It connects to your bank and sorts expenses. Or update a spreadsheet weekly. Tracking expenses keeps you honest and helps you stick to your plan. Finally, step 6, review and adjust. At the end of each month, check your budget. Did you overspend on takeout? Save less than planned? Then adjust for next month. Budgeting gets easier with practice, I promise. To make budgeting a breeze, try these tools: Mint or YNAB, which are free apps that track spending automatically. If you prefer custom budgets, Google Sheets or Excel work great. And there's the old pen and paper. Simple and effective if you like writing things down. Also, if you want to check out something else, again, you can go to my other YouTube video on the automatic budget, which is what I personally use. So here's a quick story to inspire you. I worked with a client, Sarah, who felt stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Using the 50-30-20 method, she cut on impulse buys and paid off $5,000 in credit card debt in a year. She started saving for her dream trip, and budgeting gave her confidence and control. You can do this too. Budgeting is your first step to financial freedom, and it's easier than you think. Start today, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share with a friend who needs it. Want personalized advice? Check out my website or reach out. I'm here to help build wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.